So I'm here representing both Transport for the North and my own borough of Cheshire West and Chester Council. So it's actually good to talk about the great work that's going on across the North and the passion and sort of commitment there is, particularly around things like decarbonisation and making it a better place for our residents. So coming here and networking and meeting people that I've perhaps seen an email from, and it's just really good because there's a real passion in the room. I think I really felt that to make a difference.
What's important for Worldline, as I think is true for so many of the organisations here, is we've got a real cross-section of interested parties and stakeholders in the smart mobility space. And a conference like this enables people to firstly exchange ideas, exchange best practice, but also understand much more about what the local authority market needs. How can we make this happen? There's such a fantastic opportunity to transform the way people move in this country, and it's events like this that enable us to kickstart that.
Bringing together policymakers and those individuals that are obviously on the ground delivering it. I think, we in Leeds, as was said, have a real ambition around being a city where you don't need a car. So smarter innovation, all of the things that we're talking about today are one of the ways that we're going to be able to achieve that.
I think sustainability is vitally important for people to be engaged and interested in, and it's good for us with DAF to come and talk about the future. Is it electric, hydrogen, etc., and try and find a way forward with the government and other partners.
For Liberty Charge, this is an opportunity for public and private sector to meet. We work with a lot of local authorities, a lot of combined authorities, and understanding how we can deploy charging infrastructure on cities and towns for residents who don't have a driveway. It's great to be in Leeds up north. It's a real opportunity. We don't often get sitting down in London, so very happy to be here and have the dialogue.
I find it really inspiring to hear what other people are doing in transport planning. It helps to keep your motivation high, get new ideas.
It's just a fantastic environment to really sort of spend some quality time thinking. I've been in some of the sessions a few minutes ago, and I've been sending notes to friends and colleagues of mine within the workplace, asking different questions. And some of the debates and conversations then spark ideas that you can go away and look at. And I think from a point of view of creativity, it's a great environment to really sort of help us take forward some of the actions and tactics that we're deploying to reduce carbon emissions in the UK.
Since we've been part of Smart Transport, we've worked a lot with the other partners to look at new projects, and yeah, I think it would be very difficult for us to have these conversations without sort of having the opportunity to see them face to face.
I'm really pleased to be here today on behalf of England Economic Heartland. We know that smart transport is a really important part of the solution to planning a transport system that has net zero at the centre of it. There's so many challenges in the transport sector, and data and innovation has got to be part of the solution that we need to look at.
Smart transport is an excellent way for enterprise to engage with mobility partners, policymakers and future customers to discuss the future of mobility. And what we accept as a business, we can't do on our own, we need to work in collaboration. And this is an excellent opportunity for our business to speak about what we're doing and listen to what partners are doing.